Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody. Man or woman.
Welcome to another car series, and I just want to say season greetings to everyone out there, and I hope you're staying safe in the Christmas here. So, my concern today is, in 2017, the government, the JLP government, wrote to the Governor General and told the Governor General they wanted to repeal the Road Maintenance Fund Act. The Road Maintenance Fund Act, they wanted to repeal. What did the Road Maintenance Fund do? It maintained all the roads across Jamaica, so all of them wouldn't become bad at the same time, and we wouldn't be in the predicament where we are now in terms of the roads across the country. So let me recap. In 2017, the government said, look, Governor General, repeal it. We don't want it no more. Done with. Get rid of the Road Maintenance Fund Act. So the roads them start to go bad for the last couple of years. Roads just start to go bad, and it catch up on the government right now. Now, my reason for bringing this to you, the government came out and made this big announcement, $2 billion to fix road along with other monies. Why couldn't that money be spent over the years from 2017 to fix the roads across Jamaica? So, election is near now, election here, and the government now decide that they're going to come now to fix the road when they repeal and cancel the act in 2017 to fix the roads across the country. Now, my appeal today is quite simple. Transport Authority is active right across the country. Every taxi man a ball, every civil servant a ball, every nurse, all Jamaicans are crying out now because all their front end and their vehicles are being damaged or just plain old mashed up. You lose tire, you can't drive 100 or 200, or you can't drive a mile and you don't see a vehicle that is on the side of the road fixing up tire or changing tire right across the country. I am making an appeal to the government this morning on behalf of every Jamaican. Almost all of we are drive now. Call in the Transport Authority and tell them not come on the road until March of next year, when we think or assume some of the roads across the country will be fixed. It is unfair to the motorists of this country to be paying property tax, to be paying insurance, to be paying fitness, to be paying all the taxes that they pay at tax office. Plus, the taxes that they pay to you as government, and they can't get a good road to drive on. Transport authorities out here taking away a lot of the vehicles across the country. And they are chasing down and running down people for take with them vehicle when you, the government, did not fix the roads. So I'm calling on you this morning. I'm calling on you from Westmoreland and on behalf of the 13 other parishes. Take off the transport authority off the road until we fix some of these roads and make them come back March of next year, if they come back at all. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you all.
In 2025, Comrade Mark Golden. Let me also recognize your next member of parliament, Comrade Damian Crawford. All of the other comrades on the platform, comrades in the audience, greetings. Today, I want to say a few things. But at the beginning, I want to ask you, the comrades of Northwest St. Catherine, you have some work to do because you have to wrap up this constituency early and free up Damian so he can go road, go help some other people, because our mission is that we must win this next general elections. So, now hold on. I don't know joke business, you know. I am telling you, as the General Secretary of the party, I don't want your Northwest and murmur, say, you know, see, you know, this, because him have to do some work to help some other constituency to cross over the line, because I win, we want to win the election. I realize that the other side nervous, and because them get nervous, them a try a whole heap of things and a bag of things. The other day a man said to me, if me no hear Caah call for me resign from ECJ work, me tell him say me a Caah no size so Caah can't call up my name, because Bounty Killer no clash with Tanto Blocks.
Me no take intimidation, for me and the boy, me no fear man.
Now look at you who don't know nothing about this, can come run up and get me if you run behind them and follow up them. I have realized that they want to twist everything that is said and turn it how they want to turn it. I am speaking on behalf of farmers in Jamaica, and wherever I go, I'm going to speak on behalf of the local farmers in Jamaica, because we must eat what we grow, and we must grow what we eat, and we must import and export the rest. We have 1,950 hectares of land in agro-parks. Only 30% of it is currently being used. 1,950 hectares of land in the agro-parks, and only 30% of it being used because they are not interested in the farmers of this country. The agro-parks have been road, it have irrigation, and it have drainage, but they don't care about that because they have JLP, MP, and their friend import food coming to Jamaica, and they feel like we're afraid to talk. When we take it over, we are going to cut out that so that the poor man we're planting thing can get for selling thing. I know that they're going to target me when I start talking like this, but I am not afraid. My big and me back broad, and I am standing for the poor people of this country, and I will fight for them as long as there's breath in my body.
Now show your face, Mr. Cat, because them can't stop you, Selassie, I know. Yeah! Lord, special dedication to all farmers. Cause this is Mr. Cat, the bareback rider. And in a London,
so I made a proposal. I made a proposal for an agriculture development fund. The Prime Minister of the country says it's a stupid idea. But me not listen to him because Andrew can't come in a bright argument with me. No there, no place, nowhere.
Turn up the thing, BNB. Turn up the thing, BNB.
The reason why we need the Agriculture Development Fund, we need it because we need to make money accessible to people so that they can go into farming. We need it because we need to build out storage facility so that when you apply your things in a rat now you lose everything. I hear them a run up their mouth about, oh, me want increase food price. Agriculture is the best example of the market economy at work. If I ask anybody in this crowd, when you have glut, warm to food prices, it drop a ground. When you have scarcity, warm to food prices, it go up. If we increase local production of food, food prices will go down and not up. We want to ease the cost of living on the people of this country. And we want you to eat good food, because when you eat some of this imported food, you end up with all sorts of sickness. With all of these tariff and counter tariff that are going on in the world, we cannot leave our food up to foreign country. We have enough land down here and we have enough capable people so that we will produce what we need to eat. I want to apologize for lobbying for the farmers of this country. But a few years ago, they thought that our party was dead. A few years ago, they thought we could not revive this party and win this election that is coming up. Now that them realize that the country is energized and ready for the People's National Party, them are come with all sort of arms house. No. I want to send a warning to them other green people. Let me explain something to you. Read my lips. It is impossible for labor rights to put Dayton Campbell under pressure. Take it out of your mind. You can't put me under pressure. You can't shut me up, because anywhere I go, I'm going to talk, and we are going to stay on the road, and we are going to talk for the people, and we are going to ensure that the PNP is victorious in the next election. I see them want to attack the leader, them want to attack myself. It's all right, not a problem. But me used to overcoming challenges from a boy. First, people attacked my reputation in the most vicious way about 3 years ago. Then after that, shots fire over one station and them tell lie, say me. Them say me make it happen. Now them a come tell lie about me misallocate money. I don't work a parish council. I don't have no standing for instruct no parish council, so I can misappropriate anything. And any boy or girl will say so, me and them are going to courthouse, starting with Mr. Vegas. So, Mr. Vegas, you better die, do and take away yourself and pay up some money because you cannot escape this one. I want to finish by going in this scripture. Because you know me, I try to find myself back home to my roots, you know. So I try every time I talk, I share a little bit of the word with you. Because we have to use the word for strength away at times. And me now just come here and talk now, look a psalm about fight against me enemy and fight against them that fight against me. We are going a deep scripture tonight. We're going in the book of Nehemiah. When they destroyed the wall and the Jews decide that them go and build it back. Just like how we set out that we are going to rebuild the People's National Party. Them all Sanballat and Tobiah. Them get up and them say, look at these feeble Jews. Do they really think that they can rebuild this wall? I heard some of them a few years ago. Look at Mark Golden with the chatty mouth Dayton Campbell beside him. Do they think they can really revive the People's National Party? We collectively, we went out there and we worked hard and we have rebuilt the wall. Understand, when they started working and them sister look at progress are gone, then come now if you come try distract you. And when the distraction no work, then come now if you come try disrupt them, say make we attack them. That them say, you know, Comrade Jackson. Then say make we go attack them in the night and sneak up on them. Same thing. Them I want to get up now and say, make we go attack them. Because first them did say, I know nothing. But now them see it serious, them say, make we go attack them. Well, like Brother Nehemiah, he had his building instrument in one hand, and he had his sword in the next hand. As we rebuild, we are fight off these old Sanballat and Tobias that's trying to distract us from the work that we are doing. So as we rebuild and continue to work for the people of Jamaica, I am encouraging the comrades tonight. We are going to rebuild with one hand and we are going to fight off the laborites and them lion wicked self with the other hand. Because they can run, but they can't hide. Because at some point this year, they must call the election. And when they call that election, them are going to get a beating. Them must get a beating. Them have to get a beating. The word is long.
Jamaican people want better. Time coming like.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, you know, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
I know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, you know, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent out broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends out alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.